creation, exploring the power of revitalizing the world. Using precision fluid transmission as the fulcrum, Botuo is dedicated to developing products with higher performance for every fluid application, providing comprehensive solutions, purifying all things and benefiting all living beings. Now in places you can see or not see, we are all present. We use technology to drive innovation, establish an industry university research platform, technological linkage to overcome difficulties, exchange with strongest players in the same industry, then forge your own path. Having 3 major experimental laboratories under precise testing feedback time and time again, carefully consider every step, optimize every detail. We empower production with innovation, bring in a brand new manufacturing ecosystem, multi-terminal linkage of the mass system, realize fast processing, let data reveal subtle details, leading production with intelligence. Using the ultimate precision of this moment, elevate the height of the next performance leap. In the persistence of striving for excellence, achieving efficiency and reliability, we create a clean workshop, provide the best environment for precise assembly. Here, the seeds of innovation can take root and sprout. The power of subversion can converge into a river. Each fluid equipment, they will all contain the power to rejuvenate the world. We build intelligent warehousing, application of automated handling system, fully automated visualization of storage capacity, and precise inventory management. Realize efficient connection between production and logistics. We will focus on integrating into the product in precise control at every moment. Practice the quality goal of 0 defects. We are constantly expanding into unknown territories. The form pursued, not just higher performance fluid equipment. The completion solution brings peace of mind and peace of mind to customers. As a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of fluid equipment, Botuo insight into every small need. Let technology create innovative lives. Purifying all things and benefiting all sentient beings.